Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to add and edit links and buttons on your B12 website. By the end, you'll know how to update link text, choose link types, and style your buttons to match your brand. Go to the page and section where you want to add or edit a link or button. If your section supports multiple links, scroll to Collection Links. Note that some section types only allow one link. This area lists all existing buttons and links for that section. Click an existing link to edit it, or click Add New Link to create one. In the text field, type the label that will appear on your link or button. Under Link Type, choose what you want the link to do, whether it opens a page or performs an action. You can link to different places on or outside your website. These include a blog post created in your blog feed, a contact form for your intake or scheduling pages, an external website. Be sure to include the full web address, a media file such as a PDF, image, or video, a page on your site, a product, a section within a page, service, or team member. Product, service, and team member pages are created automatically using a template. Action links trigger specific actions when clicked. You can set one to call a phone number, send an email, or make a payment. Select No Action when you want to create a drop-down heading in your navigation. Under Links to, select the destination of your button. The drop-down options depend on the link type. You can customize how each link behaves. Check Open in a new tab when linking to external websites or media files, so visitors can easily return to your site. You can also choose if you want it to be a link or a button under Appearance. If you choose Button, you can select if you want it to appear as the primary or secondary button style. Your updates will appear instantly in the preview on the right. You can reorder or remove buttons and links in the collection settings. To rearrange links, click and drag them into your preferred order. To remove a link, click the X next to its title. Buttons and links can be added to individual collection items as well. Locate the collection item you want to edit. In the left sidebar, scroll to Buttons and Links. Here you can toggle whether to show as buttons or text links, and choose whether buttons display as full width to stand out even more. Under Collection Items, you can also adjust the hover effect and other appearance settings. To edit the link for an individual collection item, click the specific item you'd like to change. Scroll to Link Text to update the text that appears on your button or link. To add your own link, you'll need to unlink the template page. Under Template, click Unlink, then select Disconnect. A new link field will appear automatically. If no link is added, the collection item will open in a pop-up window by default. To add a new link, click the plus button. Enter your link text, then choose the link type and select a destination under Links to. You can link to another page on your site or to an external website URL. You can also choose to open the link in a new tab or display it as a button. If you want to customize the style of your buttons, click until you reach the website menu, then click Style. Click Buttons. From here, you can customize the button template. Feel free to adjust the radius, width, and font. Click Apply Changes. Scroll down to check more customization options for different sections, which include the color for texts, background, and border. When you're satisfied with your changes, click Publish in the upper right corner to make your edits live. That's it. You've learned how to add, edit, and customize links and buttons on your B12 website. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.